8 best websites to learn HTML coding. Codecademy. Codecademy doesn't only teach HTML, it has a wide selection of courses for programming languages. To suit the learner, the website uses a structured curriculum and categorizes courses based on the user's skill level. It is one of the most respected places for learning to code online. Furthermore, it has many great lecturers who are ready to provide users with useful information. Codecademy has free courses to get you started with. When you get more advanced, you can get premium courses for $199. Learn HTML. This interactive website allows users to see their code in action with its live HTML feature. This is very helpful and makes learning easier as you see how changing the code affects your end result. Learn HTML provides you with complete materials on both basic and advanced levels. Each course comes with exercises to help you strengthen your skills. Additionally, users can easily navigate through the topics via its table of contents. All of these great features are entirely free, which is excellent if you want to learn but have a small budget. General Assembly Dash. Like Codecademy, General Assembly offers free HTML projects for beginners. The big difference between the two is that General Assembly's HTML program is goal-based with real-world applications. So you are building websites with actual applications rather than just running through the concepts. Also, GA offers an online HTML course with mentorship once you've completed those projects. That course then ends with a certificate. Lynda.com. Lynda offers thousands of courses on various topics, including HTML. It offers a few free HTML video lessons to begin with. Then, if you sign up for a monthly membership, you'll have access to all of the video lessons offered by Lynda. You can also sign up for a premium membership which gives you access to project files. Lynda also has a mobile app so you can watch class videos anywhere you want. HTML.com. If you are looking for a straightforward tutorial on HTML, this website delivers it perfectly. You get a full explanation of HTML within a single page. Additionally, there is an index to help you easily navigate the tutorials. This site also updates its contents on a regular basis to go along with HTML5. There will be a warning if a specific code can't be used anymore in the format. To top it all off, users can learn from here for free. BitDegree. BitDegree is a trusted educational website which provides online courses for many subjects, including programming languages, e-commerce, and many others. The popularity of BitDegree is due to the high quality of their courses. When learning HTML on this website, you can choose your courses based on users' ratings. This helps a lot while making a decision. BitDegree has plenty of useful tutorials that are available for all. There are a lot of courses for free, while most paid courses are around $10. W3 Schools. W3 Schools includes exercises to prepare you for real-time challenges. And to take things further, there are HTML templates that you can modify freely. All of the tutorials are well structured and have different difficulty levels. You don't have to pay anything to learn from this website. However, you can order to have a certificate once you finish a subject, which costs $95. Shay Ho's learning site. Shay Ho is a professional developer and his website is popular for its clear explanation on HTML. There are 12 lessons to get, from the least difficult to the most advanced use of HTML. Each page contains a lengthy and detailed description of how to use the programming language. It is free to use, and if you want to learn more, the website offers the users a book. Learn to code HTML and CSS, develop and style websites.